Hello everyone, this is a quick review of what we did in class today. So if you go into your classwork tab, you will see that there are two assignments here that say America's Promise Part 2. One is an Ed puzzle and one is a Padlet. So these are listed as assignments so that they will show up in your missing work tab on the front of your classroom page. But in order to complete them, you're not submitting them through Classroom. You are clicking on the link here, which takes you to an Ed puzzle of a speech by President Roosevelt. The voice on this is another teacher who teaches this class, not mine. That's why the name is different. But you're going to watch that. You're going to answer a bunch of open-ended questions along the way. When you finish it, it automatically submits your answers to me. You do not have to turn them in any way. If it helps you to turn it in here so that you know you did it, that is fine. So once you've done that, you will then come, and same thing here. This has the turn in, if that helps you so that you know that you did it. But to complete it, you click on the link. It takes you to a Padlet, and my directions for what to do are right here. To create a post, you click on this little pink plus sign in the corner. Type your thoughts into your post. Please make sure you are signed in with your Reading email so that your name shows up on the top of your post. If it comes up as anonymous because you're not signed in, I cannot give you points for it because I don't know who you are. So once you do the Ed puzzle and the Padlet, you are good for the day.